Good morning, all dear students. Myself, Deepika Dhanwani, the 11th standard commerce students are heartily welcome on behalf of Idle Institute of Commerce and Genius School of Commerce. As previous lecture, we discussed the chapter number 3rd of your textbook. The name of chapter is General Book or General, you can say. If you remember the meaning, Journal is the first book where the transactions are recorded. Financial transactions of business are recorded. It is, you can say, the original book, or it shows the brief explanation of transactions of business. Means briefly explanation देता है business के हर एक transaction का. Now each and every student please try to practice how we prepare the journal. Firstly, if you want to get the exercise, firstly you will have to understand the nature of the transaction and the rules of the various accounts. Then after that you can easily put all the transactions in journal. There is some practice questions or practice transactions here to make you understand how we prepare the journal. We discussed about the format on previous class. There is the date, particular, LF and amount has two division or two column, debit and credit. Now there are some transactions are mentioned. So we will try to make or put it into the journal. There is first transaction, business started with cash. I am mentioning the rough practice here also, which is make you able how the transaction is debited and credited. Got it? First, business started with cash. If you remember, I told you, I discussed with you, if any businessman started business and introduced any cash, any assets, it is counted in capital. वो capital में count होती है. So there is one word I mentioned here, capital account. और कैपिटल किस फॉर्म में है, इन विच फॉर्म योर कैपिटल इज इन कैश अकाउंट. ओके, सो देयर इज टू अकाउंट्स आर. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द नेचर ऑफ दैट अकाउंट. कैपिटल इज पर्सनल अकाउंट एंड कैश इज रियल अकाउंट. गॉट इट? नाउ अप्लाई द रूल. पर्सनल अकाउंट सेज डेबिट इज रिसीवर, क्रेडिट इज गिवर. Here the owner's position is on giver. Giver means owner आपको capital दे रहा है business को. So the capital account is credited. Cash real account है. Real account says debit what comes into the business, credit was goods out from the business. So cash are coming in the business. So the cash account's position is on debit. So what date is mentioned? 2020. Here I also mentioned in question. 1st January transaction, cash account debit to capital account. Amount is similar. Got it? 10,000 in debit column and 10,000 in credit. Watch carefully. The credit transaction is recorded with the word to. Got it? And that is called the narration. Narration means the brief description or explanation of your transaction. Being business started with cash of rupees 10,000, 20,000, XYZ. If you are not able to write the narration, you can easily carry from the questions. Questions से carry कर भी आप अपने transaction को record narration form में कर सकते हैं. Being business started with cash of rupees 10,000. Got it? Now see the second transaction of 9th January. Goods of rupees 5,000 purchased on cash. We are purchasing the goods. So I told you goods are that items through which you do the business. मतलब जिसके द्वारा आप business कर रहे हैं वही आपका goods है. Okay? So जब भी हम goods खरीदते हैं purchase word use करते हैं उसके लिए, और जब भी हम goods sale करते हैं sale word use करते हैं. So purchase account और गुड्स किसने सेल कर रहे हैं, परचेज कर रहे हैं आप कैश फॉर्म में, तो कैश अकाउंट. गॉट इट? परचेज इज रियल अकाउंट एंड कैश इज आल्सो रियल. क्यों? क्योंकि गुड्स जो है वो रियल अकाउंट में आ रहा है और हम परचेज क्या कर रहे हैं, गुड्स कर रहे हैं. तो बोथ आर द नेचर ऑफ रियल अकाउंट. नाउ वॉच or reminder, the rule of real account, debit what comes into the business, credit goes out from the business. When we are purchasing the goods are coming in the business, so the purchase account is debit. Now हम कैश परचेस कर रहे हैं, मीन्स वी आर पेइंग द कैश फॉर परचेसिंग द गुड्स. हम किसी को कैश पे कर रहे हैं, मीन्स कैश इज गोज आउट फ्रॉम द बिजनेस, सो द पोजीशन ऑफ कैश इज क्रेडिट. नाउ असेंबल एंड पुट इट इनटू द जनरल फॉर्म इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे. Date 9th January, purchase account debit, little bit space you have to give, then to cash account credit, and the amount is similar in both, debit 9,000, credit 9,000. Now what's the third transaction? Goods of 8,000 purchased on credit from Rajan. Now you are purchasing the goods, so first account is purchase account. Now you are able to understand. Right now you are not doing the cash transaction, you are preferring the credit transaction, and the person to whom you are purchasing is Rajan. So two important account for me to record in journal book. First purchase, second Rajan. Purchase are real account because it is related to goods, and Rajan is the person, so it is related to natural account, or you can say personal account. Real account says debit comes, the purchase, when we purchase the goods it comes into the business, so the purchase account is debit, definitely, as we discussed in second transaction also. And about the Rajan's account, Rajan is the personal account, natural person account. Personal account rule say debit is receiver and credit is giver. Here Rajan is giver because he is dispatching the goods for you, so the position of Rajan is credit. Now assemble the transaction, mention the date 15 January, purchase account debit to Rajan's account, and put the amount, and that is the narration which I took from the questions which is mentioned here as a form of transaction. Next 28 January, 1,000 rupees withdrawn by the owner from business for personal use. जहां पर भी पर्सनल यूज के लिए विड्रॉ होता है, आइदर कैश आइदर गुड्स, एक वर्ड इंट्रोड्यूस होता है ड्रॉइंग. गॉट इट? अकाउंट्स में स्टूडेंट्स को एक बात, जहां पर भी पर्सनल यूज की बात आती है वहां ड्रॉइंग वर्ड इनिशिएट होता है. सो मेंशन ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट. अब ड्रॉइंग विड्रॉ कर क्या रहे हो? 1,000 रुपीज मीन्स यू आर विड्रॉइंग कैश, so the second account is cash account. Drawing account is personal account, capital and drawing account. Make also try to make the concepts. Ki for example that now we are able to understand that capital is the personal account, drawing is the personal account. If we are purchasing the goods and selling the goods, it's coming to the real account. Got it? Cash is real account. Now drawing account debit. Oh sorry, drawing is the personal account and cash is the real account. Personal account से debit is receiver, credit is giver. जब कोई ऑनर कैपिटल लगाता है तो उसकी पोजीशन गिवर की है, और जब वो विड्रॉ कर रहा है मीन्स वो रिसीवर है उस 1,000 रुपीज का, मीन्स ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट होगा. एंड कैश रियल अकाउंट है, विड्रॉ हो रहा है बिजनेस से मीन्स कैश इज गोइंग आउट फ्रॉम द बिजनेस, सो कैश अकाउंट की पोजीशन क्या होगी? क्रेडिट. नाउ assemble or please put the transaction on 28th January, drawing account debit to cash account. The next transaction is 20,000 rupees deposited in the bank for open a account. 20,000 rupees आपने बैंक में डिपॉजिट किए हैं एक बैंक में अकाउंट ओपन करने के लिए. Now see, there is major two accounts. First is bank account and second is cash account, because you are depositing the 20,000 rupees amount. So bank account is considered in personal account, okay, and the cash account is considered in real account. Now apply the rule. Bank is the personal account. Personal account rules say debit is receiver, credit is giver, and when we are going to deposit the amount, the bank was on the position of receiver of your amount, so bank account is debited in general. And cash is real account. Real account says debit comes, credit goes, so cash are going out from the business, so definitely the position of cash is on credit side. So assemble the general entry or try to put it into the general format. On 2nd Feb, it is the date, bank account debit to cash account, and put the amount in the front of debit and credit, and the narration is took from the transaction. The next transaction is sold furniture of rupees 10,000 on cash. Now look at it. Furniture is your assets and second important account is cash account. Assets is real account, cash is also real account, and real account rule says debit comes, credit goes. So when you are selling the furniture is goes out from the business. फर्नीचर बिजनेस से बाहर जा रहा है क्योंकि वो सेल हो रहा है, मीन्स फर्नीचर की पोजीशन क्रेडिट होगी, और जिसे भी आप फर्नीचर बेच रहे हैं वो आपको उसके बिहाफ पे उतने एज में अमाउंट दे रहा है, मीन्स आपको कैश बिजनेस में आ रहा है. सो कैश इज ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ डेबिट. ऑब्वियसली जब भी हम सेल करते हैं तो या तो कैश आता है या उधार सेल करते हैं, और अगर हम परचेस करते हैं तो हम कैश पे करते हैं. सो फर्नीचर अकाउंट कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू फर्नीचर अकाउंट क्रेडिट. एंड द लास्ट ट्रांजेक्शन इज रिसीव्ड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 500 फॉर लोन लैंड टू कौशल. आपको एक इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, गॉट इट. इंटरेस्ट में आपको 500 रुपीज रिसीव हो रहे हैं, मीन्स डेफिनेटली कैश तो आ ही रहा है, और हमारी इनकम का फॉर्म क्या है, इंटरेस्ट. कैश इज रियल, इंटरेस्ट इज नॉमिनल. रियल अकाउंट में कैश आ रहा है मीन्स डेबिट कम्स, और नॉमिनल अकाउंट इंटरेस्ट कहता है कि इंटरेस्ट आपकी इनकम है, क्योंकि इनकम फॉर्म में आ रहा है. अगर आप पे करते तो एक्सपेंसेस फॉर्म में होता, सो इनकम फॉर्म में इंटरेस्ट आपकी क्रेडिट पोजीशन पे होगा. सो एंट्री इज कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट. ओके, थैंक यू.